Happy birthday, Lolo Mai.
Wait, we have to do some song.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo Mai. Happy birthday to you. We love you.
I love you.
I'm Mylene. I'm.
Danielle.
I'm Ferdinand.
We are the.
Family.
We are the family.
We are the family.
We love you from
love
Canada
you.
with love.
Canada.
Okay.
With love.
We have another song for you. What's the song, Dane?
I don't know.
Come on.
You don't know?
What's the song?
You're my honey bun,
And sugar plums.
hampang kiyam-piyam.
You're my sweetie pie.
You're my coffee cake, gumdrops, noodles, bugums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing sweet songs for you because you are so dear. Good health, Papa, and many more years to come.
Get well soon.
Get well soon. See you soon.
I hope you're gonna get better, Sam.
Yeah, and see you.
See you.
Happy
Love you.
birthday.
Love you.
Oh, kisses.
Oops.
Okay.
Hello, Manong. Kumusta? Ore ano na saya at matlangan tay ikuan salon at mo hindi pinagasam karkararagan takamot ito ken ala Manong kaputa ito yung bulan din nagtawam kablaawang ka iti nakagas-gasat nga aldaw ti birthday mo sapay ko adupay iti yung kapay madandanon nga pinagberde ken Kurling Happy Mother's Day.
Nagasak na pinagpisa ngay mo, Uncle. Kaya nagtutuloy ko mga sika iti benedisyon na ni Apo. Kaya nakatagupay nga ang pisa kinkired iti nga doal daw mo, Uncle. Kaya nagtutuloy ko mga iti pinaglaing mo. Kapuntas ta makabisita kang tungan ito'y Ilocos and Uncle.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Lolo. God bless you.
God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya. God will give you more blessings to come. More health.
Happy birthday, Bayaw. God will always keep and bless you all the days of your life. God bless you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle! Sapay ko mata ti Apo pa iti ado ti ado pa nga pizza ken karad kat ti paay ni Apo ken ka. God bless you, Uncle!
Uncle, happy birthday! Praying for God's protection and joy and safety for you. Nawa maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Happy birthday! God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Hope to see you soon. More birthdays to come.
So,
Happy birthday, Lolo. May God give you good health every day.
happy birthday to you! From Miguel's family!
Babayang ka.
God bless! We
Happy
love you,
birthday.
Uncle!
From Miguel family.
In Botong.
Amen.
Hi, my name is Trisha.
Hi, my name is Joshua.
Happy birthday, little Mike. We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Mike. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lulu Mike. We wish you a good health and good life. I always be beside you, Lulu. And also Lola have a spring. And also we have good health and great life. Birthday, Lola Mike. I'm Day. I love you.
From
Canada.
with
Love you.
love. Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Look
Happy
here.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo. Happy birthday to you. I miss you. I hope you're gonna feel better. I love you.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Lolo Mike. I love you.
Nako, di ko maintindihan ang sabi ni Papa.
Nilala okay, nakita ko. Ano itong lugar nito, dito ako na ipanganak. Tapos, dito rin ako na, kongkong na ako, Mikan Kor. Lawak ko. Tarapuras pa hindi ko. Yung lahat na akong malipatan na yung lugar. Kung nakita yung anak ko, Kita pasal nila kata kami lalakay kami. Naman ta nagbiyahe kay malapit kami kay terminal oy. Mapuno na kami anda to mga amot ni ma dito kabdagin kapag yan daw yan wala no. Ito pasyar. Yan na anda mo pagkataon na tumuro. Ngayon nung medyo apik-pik oras na dati kwa kinakati at saka mahirap talagang dipin. Salamat ko sa ginawa pamagina sa aming lahat. Sa inyong lahat na nandito, salamat ko. At sana mag-enjoy kayo. O rin magpatinsa nyo kay Kirtan. Salamat din yung mga nakahaluto na nag-prepare. Thank you!
May iba pa dito, nandito. Nandito yung iba, kasama sa pagluluto. Salamat po.
Maganda ko nung anak ni nanang ng tatandaan na 1973 pa yung kami dyan ang imanok dito ang pagsunak na mga askaw ito mga sinsapay lang ay pag yun naman ang kinapon Diyos tayo, nagkikita tayo amin na yun tunda Annabelle the training member ilang karong punta ka na kami pinag-welcome ka na kami sa mga kita so diyan magtiya ako diyan din na rin.
Okay, thank